Level 12 unlocked. This game is so good.
Having fun, huh? Well, game time's over. Time for a challenge.
What? I just beat the boss level.
Let's see if you can beat my level. You've got 3 minutes to complete 2 scratch hacks.
2 hacks in 3 minutes? That's evil. I love it. What are they?
Hack number 1. A color-changing sprite when the mouse hovers over it. Hack number 2. A sprite that follows the leader wherever it goes.
Challenge accepted, Pixel. Time to code some magic. Hold on. Before we jump in, try solving this one.
Timer starts now, Code Queen. Let's see if you can handle the heat.
Okay. I need a sprite that'll show off the color change. Something fun. Oh, this little jelly blob looks cute. And squishy. Perfect. And let's throw in a nice clean backdrop. Don't want my sprite getting lost in the background chaos, right? All right, here we go. When green flag clicked. This one's like the power button. It kicks off the code every time we run the project.
Boom! The classic scratch starter move. Let's go, Nova. You're already on fire.
Now, I'll use a forever loop, because I want the sprite to keep checking if the mouse is on it, not just once.
Ooh, smart move. Like telling it, hey, keep watching the mouse 24/7.
Okay, now grab this, the if-then block, and drag it right into the coding area. This block is like our sprite's superpower sense. If the mouse pointer is touching it. Now, inside this if block, we'll tell it what to do when the mouse touches it. That's coming up next.
Ooh, I can't wait. You're zooming through this challenge like a pro, Nova.
All right, now grab the change color effect by 25 block and drop it inside the if. That means whenever the mouse touches the sprite, it goes poof and changes color.
Ooh, like a disco party whenever you hover.
Exactly. And just for fun, let's make our sprite say something. Drag in the say, hey, you are hover over me for 2 seconds block. That way it talks back when you hover.
Haha, our sprite's got jokes now. Hover too long and it's like, hey, stop creeping.
Yep, keeps things fun while we code. Let's test it out. Okay, now we need the else part. That's what happens when the mouse is not touching the sprite.
So, when the mouse goes away, what's the magic?
We clear the color effect, like hitting the reset button so the sprite goes back to normal. No more disco lights.
Boom! Back to boring old sprite, no more color party.
Exactly. It's like, all right, party's over, time to chill. All done. The sprite changes color when you hover and says a cheeky message. Easy peasy. Next hack is follow the leader hack. First, I want the leader sprite and 2 or 3 followers. All right, let's give the leader some moves. First up, when green flag clicked. Boom! This is how we start the magic.
Ooh, classic. The green flag, the signal to start chaos. I mean, coding fun.
Now I'll snap in a go to X:(Y) so my leader sprite starts at a fixed position.
Strategic start point. I see you, Professor Nova.
Next, forever loop, because this leader never stops moving, just like me on pizza night.
Oh no! I sense you're speeding up. I better distract her. Hey, look! A cat meme.
Nice try. Now I'm adding the arrow key controls. If right arrow pressed, change X by 5. Left key, change X by -5. Up, Y goes up. Down, Y goes down. Boom, 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 boom. We got movement.
She's too fast. I was supposed to win this round.
Okay, now the follower. Starting with when green flag clicked.
This one's gonna play tag with the leader, huh?
Yup, now I add a forever loop. Inside it, go to sprite 1, but wait, Not exactly on it. Let's shift it back with change x by minus 70 and change y by minus 20. That way it follows behind the leader.
Whoa, it's like a loyal robot dog.
And a tiny delay. Wait 0.1 seconds. So it doesn't just teleport. We want a smooth follow.
She did it again! Hack 2 complete and still smiling.
2 hacks, 1 challenge, 0 bugs. Who's the Scratch Queen? This girl.
I gotta admit, you crushed it, Nova. Remind me never to challenge you without snacks as a distraction.
Hey, Scratch Stars. Now it's your turn. Try the hover color hack or make your own follow the leader chase game.
And don't forget, hit that like button like it's a green flag, subscribe for more hacks, and share your favorite part in the comments below.
Stay curious, keep coding, and we'll catch you in the next code adventure.